Combined Motor Holdings is an independent motor retail operation headquartered in Durban.
This is interesting because they did quite a significant share buyback to assist the founding family to exit, and as a result, fewer shares in issue. Tough market, but company doing well, and share price you'll see in a minute rising.
Market cap is 1.5 billion rand, dividend yield here of 6.8%, price to earnings ratio of 7.7.
Let's look at the share chart because, like I say, you'd expect these companies to be battling.
Stalling there because of that dividend yield of 6.8%. That's a very nice dividend yield.
Yes, I mean, this struggled to attract a rating, to be honest. So this is interesting because it's pure play, like it's that motors business 100%, because they also do car rental, they also do financial services, and obviously aftermarket parts. So it is across the range in used cars. So, but the results have been quite resilient. Actually, a lot of the recent earnings growth came from that share buyback. So it did bolster the numbers. It was bought back at a very reasonable price. So it is reflective of the difficult environment, but the rating is also extremely low and the dividend yield attractive.
Well, very attractive dividend yield if you're looking for around about 7%.
Yeah, so I don't know. I think the Zimmerman family's been reduced to a fairly...
Yeah, very low.
Are they now largely...
I think almost totally out, yeah.
Okay. And Jeb McIntosh still running the business?
That's right.
And so the mix has changed because
So
it used to be...
you would have much better liquidity in the overall stock.
Probably less because the number of issues... Well, they never sold the shares and now they're gone.
Yes, so the free float didn't really change.
I would have assumed that the free float would have increased.
No, they bought back and cancelled all those shares, so the number of sort of floating shares.
All right, so we're now talking about a much more
But they've got a nice mix of stores. I mean, they have had a few missteps historically with some of their BMW dealerships in the Johannesburg area, but at the same time, they've got Volvos and Toyotas and Ford and all sorts of stuff all over the country. So
is there more upside on this story?
I think the overall concern though would be vehicle sales because you still have to have a following wind. You can see despite the share price doing well, it's still on like a 7 PE, which means there isn't a lot of faith out there.
So a good looking share price, but you've got to dig deep if you want to go into this one. Hot or not, Rowan?
Yeah, it's sort of close to record highs. I think, given the liquidity, I would wait and see how new car sales pan out before getting too excited. So not hot.
If everything goes well and all those political risks I was talking about just disappear and taxes don't go up and interest rates stay low, then it'll do well. So I'm going to go not hot.
You're going to go not hot on this one.